day trade set up for today. So what can we say except that the confusion continues. We are still hovering above this level, okay, and this level right here is 27,657. We're still hovering above it, but we are going sideways. There's pretty much no direction at the moment, and let's get to this. You'll see that pretty clearly here. We have a pretty well defined range. There's our top. We keep touching that area and we keep selling off. Okay, for me at the moment there is no trade on this. Similar to the DAX, this is going sideways. There's no real direction at the moment. Until we get through this range one way or another, I'm staying well away from this. If we come down to the hour, you'll see we had this crazy price action on pretty much most of toward the close of last week, and then look what happened yesterday. Pretty much similar, and we've started off the day with again just confusion, total and utter confusion. The levels where I would expect support for the bottom of the range is pretty much at this area of 27,700. I'd expect us to get to here and then probably move back the top and just muck around in this range for the rest of probably today and maybe tomorrow. But this is not attractive at all. There's nothing standing out here. And the one thing to bear in mind is the Dow Jones is lagging behind the S&P and the Nasdaq. S&P almost cracked through a new high yesterday going into the close. Just missed it by a couple of points. But this is the situation at the moment. Okay, if I come down to the 15-minute, you'll see, pretty much, if you look at yesterday trading price action, look at this. That is something you can't trade. Then a big sell-off towards the close, and then a big buying opportunity coming into close. So, as far as I'm concerned, these levels are critical. You can see there, pin bars off the level on the 15, and that's the only way that I would trade this. And I'm not interested to short this at all. We're still in an upward trend. This is still consolidating in an upward trend. So I would look at these levels again. So to the downside, 27,700 and 27,657 or 27,660. Those are the areas that I would be paying attention to buy. But anything other than that, I'm staying well away from this. There's really nothing on offer here. And your levels need to be on the hour. I suppose there is another little one here that may offer some interest as well. So here's another area to watch, 27,785. You can see used as resistance here, used as support, broken through, used as support there. So this could offer some support as well. And the last thing I just want to check here, I just want to see if that is a Fibonacci level. It's not quite, but we are at a Fibonacci level right now. We're at the 61.8 here. So let me just put the levels in we want. That one we don't need. That one we want. And that one we want. Okay. So yeah, that's a picture for me. Pull back into this area, look at price action. It would be a 15-minute trade, to be honest with you. If we do get some positive price action, I may look at it along. But that's a very, very, very strong May. I think I'm going to stay well away from this until we get some clarity, because even off these levels we're still going sideways. Okay, so yeah, that's kind of my view at the moment. Sorry, one last thing I just spotted here. We do have a bit of a trend line here, but it won't line up with anything, so that doesn't mean anything. Yeah, so my view is pretty much the same. If we do find some bullish price action off one of these levels, and it does look very bullish, I will take a smallish position with a very tight stop loss, see if we get back to the top of the range. I'm not looking to try and get through anything other than what we have now, and that is 140 points away from where we are now. Okay, hope it helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.